Friends, hello everyone. Today we will prepare an amazing homemade pie with chocolate filling. For this recipe, we will need 7 ounces, 200 grams, of unsalted butter at room temperature. Add 8.8 ounces, 250 grams, brown sugar to the butter. Beat well with a mixer until the butter and sugar are mixed until smooth. We also need 1 medium-sized egg. Friends, write in the comments how you are doing. What's new? To give it a nice flavor, I use vanilla. Sift together 11.3 ounces, 320 grams, cake flour, and 1 tablespoon baking powder. It is best to knead the dough by hand. The dough will be ready when it stops sticking to your hands. Add 7 ounces, 200 grams, chopped chocolate or chocolate chips. Separate the third part from the dough. For this pie, we will need a 6-inch, 15-centimeter baking pan. We fill the pie with Nutella. Place the rest of the dough on top and distribute evenly throughout the pie. Sprinkle chopped chocolate or chocolate chips on top. Bake in preheated oven at 330 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. After baking, leave the cake in the pan to cool completely, at least 3 hours. The result is an incredibly delicious pie with chocolate filling. Friends, write your feedback. How do you like these recipes and the new video format with voice acting? Bon appetit, friends, and see you soon.